today we came with the new video which is about the income tax. So in this video we are going to discuss about the Iras, what is NOC, how you can file the income tax if you're new to Singapore, how to calculate in, what are the method of paying, and how you can do the installment with the interest free. So let's start for the video, and before that maybe you can subscribe to the channel if you feel it's very important and information. So Iras basically in Singapore which control the income tax in the Singapore, and for this, first of all you will be receiving NOC, and that is for the last year financial year. For example, if you are in 2023, so you'll be receiving your NOC from January 1st 2020 to 31st December 2022. So this is a below link where you can go to the Iras portal, and guys, so now I'm going to tell you in detail how you can do all the informations. First of all, everybody is eager how you can calculate the income tax. So first, what you need to do, you just go to the Google, calculate Iras, and you can see the first link, and there is a file which you can see here, it is updated 2023, and you will direct it to the Excel file. If you want, you can directly edit and you can download also. For convenient purpose, I have downloaded it. Now the moment you will open it, you can see there are multiple options. So first of all, you need to put your income, how much income it is. I have just taken the 5,000 for the convenient purpose for the calculations, and then after that you can add. So you can add your other income also, like dividend, shares, bonds, whatever you have, rent, etc. all this. And after that, you have a different kind of relief, you have spouse release. If most of the people, they are not aware, if your wife or your husband is not working, you can get $2,000 of relief. So this is coming under the spouse. And for kids also, even though you have one kid, so per kids you will be getting $4,000 of relief. This will be from your total income. They will detect, then only they will calculate the income tax. So what I'm doing, first of all, I'm just putting the spouse information, 2,000 plus 4,000, so it's coming 6,000. So you can do the minus 50,000 and minus 6,000 equal to 44,000. And apart from this, you also will be getting the separate $1,000 of personal relief amount. It's not getting, but you will be getting the relief. So basically, if you have $50,000, $2,000 for your spouse, and 4,000 for your kids, so 44,000, and then minus $1,000, so it will be coming around $43,000. So on this tax, the government will be charging the income tax. Hope this example will clarify to you. Okay, so I'm going to fill the informations. Maybe you can fill, this is a calculator sheet where you can calculate after putting all the informations, all reliefs, all incomes, all donations. So for kids, I'm not sure, maybe you can call Iras and you can ask for small information. They are very easily available. You can call to their hotline numbers as well. You can go to the Iras portal, from there you can get the information. And finally you can get, I am getting this text. So now let's calculate how it is. Just below the same sheet you have the slot. So this will be defined like which category you are coming for. For example, if you are coming under for 40,000, so you will be coming on the fourth slot. If your salary within the 80,000, then first 40,000 will be of this much of specific amount, and apart from and above the remaining amount, they will calculate the tax of 7%. So in our case, the income is coming 43,000. So 40,000 they will be charging, and remaining 3,000 they will be charging with the 7%. So let's calculate for it. It's 7, so 210 plus 550. so it's coming $760, which is accurate, and in your sheet also you can see the same information is coming. So guys, this sheet is very useful. If you are new to Singapore, you must initially use this sheet to calculate how what is your tax is coming. And most cases employers only filling the information and submitting and giving and filling to the Iras, then later it will come to you for the confirmation whether it's correct or not. You can tally whatever your income in the salary slip it is. So now I'm going to let you know how you can pay the Iras. The first step, usually people prefer to do through the internet banking, so you can use any internet banking, Standard Chartered, DBS, or any other common internet banking. You need to go and you need to click on the pay bills, and there is options to add a bill organization. There you can add and select the Iras, income tax, property tax. So I will selecting the income tax because I have to pay for the income tax. Then you can put your NRIC number here. This is I'm just putting the some random information, basically just to show it, and then later I'm adding from which account I just want to pay my Iras tax. Once you selected this credit card or account or whatever it is, then you just go to the next, click on the next button, and the moment you go to the next button, you will be taken to the next screen, which is I think you need to put the correct NRIC number. If it is not the correct NRIC number, it won't allow you to choose it. So let me select again. This is Iras. Now I'm putting my own NRIC number. Then after that I'm selecting the account. It can be the saving account, can maybe the credit card, debit card, or whatever it is. Then just click on next, and you will be added for your account will be added. Then you can do the payment, like how much amount you want to pay. This is like this, you can see the example, and you can enter the amount like how much amount you want to pay. So guys, this is one of the common example I have shown you. Hope this will help you. Now so I just shown you the how you can do the payment. Then finally, after entering the amount, you can click on the submit button. So these are I have listed the method of payment for you for the Iras. Let's say you want to do cash payment, you can go to the Iras Center, you can do payment through the internet banking. Also one of the options which I have already shown to you, credit card, where you can get the cash rebate and points. I think you won't be getting because it's Iras income tax. And you can do the GIRO installment, which is interest free, and you don't need to pay any extra interest for it, which will be some 6 months, 8 months, 12 months, depends on how your GIRO installment is. So now I'm gonna show you how you can do the GIRO installment. First of all, you need to log into your Iras login, and for this you should have the singpass account. Singpass, you can go to any of the nearby community to get the singpass account. For any of the government login, you must have the singpass account, and I'm giving the Iras portal description link in the description, as well as the from where you can download the calculator, and you can get it from there. So on the Google, if internet's handy for you, I think Singapore is handy for everywhere. Nowadays it's digitization, so everybody know how to use it, even simple googling. Go to the Google and type for the Iras login. It will take you to the Iras portal. Then from there you will be asking for personal or business. So it's personal because I'm talking about the income tax in this video. So later it will be asking for your NRIC information and password. You can take it, and there will be now OTP will be sent to your mobile number. You can enter it, and you can log in into this one. So let me check my OTP, and after you get the OTP, you can enter here. So this is the OTP I have gotten. You can see we have successfully logged into the account, and the moment you will log into the account, I have already logged in, that's why the pop-up message is not coming for me. But if you are already working in Singapore, you will be receiving message. You need to do the filing of income tax because your employee already might have filled it. Even for new employee, the company employers will fill it and it will come for your confirmation. So you just need to go through view return whether this is a correct or not. This you can calculate based on your salary. Then later it will be letting you know how much salary you have and how much donation you have done, what is your salary total, and finally it will show you how much the income tax is coming for you. Okay, so this method you can do it, and for me already GIRO is configured, so I'm not able to see the option. But in your case, if you are the first time doing the GIRO configuration, you can see the down information. I don't have this information as of now to show you, but down you will be asking for the bank name, account name, then the installment, from how many months you want to do, from when to start. So all this information will be showing to your Iras login. Okay, so there you can do the GIRO installment, and every time it will be detecting the amount automatically. Before detecting, you need to make sure you have the sufficient amount in your account. If you don't have sufficient, it will be fail, and it will, in a month, it will try to detect 2 times. If both times is failed, the next coming month it will detect for 2 months GIRO. So every 6 and 20 you will be get the GIRO detection. If continuously 4 times 2 months is failed, then GIRO installment will be automatically cancelled for you, and then you need to do the full and final settlement for your GIRO. And if you don't do, maybe they will charge some penalties or some kind of interest, so it depends. For that you need to ask Iras, and you if possible you must do the full and final settlement of your GIRO. So guys, hope this video is very important. I have listed down all the points, and I will be keep preparing all this kind of video about the Singapore. Thanks for watching, and take care. Thank you. Bye bye. Stay safe.